Hello everyone. So today I was looking at this question on the community about I'll read the question. Can we utilize Python for scripting or automation in Jira? Now, I wanted to make a video on this topic because many people want to do things in Jira, and I'm talking about automation. Automation is my area of interest. I think it is my core competency. This is what I do normally as well. So I really wanted to talk about this. Now the question is talking about. So the question is all about using Python. So Python is the main thing here that the person, this user, is trying to understand. Can we use Python for doing automation? Now in Jira, and I'm talking about Jira Cloud because that is the tag here. When you talk about Jira Cloud, you have the inbuilt automation capabilities. You have automation rules that you can always use to do wonderful things in Jira, and you don't really need any programming language. But of course, you also have some apps like, of course, I'll mention Script Runner for Jira, because using Script Runner for Jira, if you want to do a bit more than what automation rules can do. Automation rules are great, but of course, there is a limitation on what kind of or complexity or what kind of business logic you want to implement. I think automation rules is great for doing simple things, and it is, I think, for many people, it is still great. But if you want to do a bit more than those simple automations, then you need to write scripts. And using a script now for Jira, you have to, of course, use Groovy, and that is the language. But of course, that is within Jira. Now, if you want to do something with Python, or in fact any programming language, that supports REST API, you can use that language to talk to Jira or to do things, wonderful things with Jira, but from outside, not really within Jira. And you can definitely use Python, although I'm not really, my Python knowledge is very, very, very limited. Sometimes on weekends, I do try a few YouTube videos, tutorials, and I try to learn it. But I think if I have to learn Python, if I have to do something, I think I can. I've done something with Python and Jira, and there are some libraries. If you search online Python Jira, I think there is one very popular GitHub repository where you will find different things that you can do with Jira. But if you want to do something with Jira from outside, you can of course use the REST API. And if you want to know what all you can do, you can just do a simple search. Just type Jira Cloud REST API, and you will find this page. So on this page, you will find a lot of information about different things that you can do with Jira. And to be honest, it is quite a lot. You can do a lot of things. And if you want to learn how, maybe if you're looking for some examples, it could be, of course, I don't really have any personal video tutorials or scripts in Python, but I do have a lot of examples where I have shown how you can interact with Jira using REST API. And the examples that I have shared, they are all using either a tool called Talent API Tester, which is like Postman. So basically, you can you can basically make REST calls, and you can also generate a curl command so that you can also try it out from your terminal. And on this particular video course series, I have also covered plenty of examples where I have used shell scripting, and that is what I use quite a lot for doing wonderful things with Jira. And it is, of course, a way to interact with Jira from outside. But even if you are doing this interaction from outside Jira, you can still do a lot of things like automation. And automation is like a wide term. Basically, if you want to integrate to Jira, or maybe if you want to update anything in Jira, or maybe you want to pull data from Jira to maybe your own tool, or maybe you want to generate a CSV file, maybe you want to dump it somewhere else. Basically, you can talk to Jira from outside using REST API, and definitely you can use Python because Python supports REST API like almost every other language, any modern language. and I thought I'll probably make a video on this topic. It is very simple, to be honest, to start using these automations, even using REST API. I think in the beginning, I think this particular user was trying to understand whether we should hire a Python developer. So I would say, yeah, go ahead, hire someone if you think you need to solve a problem. But I think in the beginning, you should try to understand what all you are trying to achieve with Jira, because you're limited by what REST API has to offer. I mean, REST API, Jira Cloud REST API is of course not really simple. I mean, you can do a lot of, when I say restricted, I mean, it is not like you can do only few things. You can do a lot of things, but of course, because it is REST API, there are of course like some limitations if you compare it with maybe what you can do with Jira on server or data center, I should say, using the Java APIs, where you can use a tool like again Scriptner for Jira on server to directly interact with Java APIs, and that is of course a way to do extreme customizations. You have more capabilities and in fact endless possibilities when it comes to doing customizations in Jira or in any integration or automation. But of course, if you're talking about cloud, REST API is of course your option, and definitely you can use Python. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.